Wild side.
And we're back, here at the Wild Side, where you find news about the wild and free. We have a breaking story from our reporter Flora Bella over at the Southeast Asian Youth Conference on Illegal Wildlife Trade at the Asian Development Bank. Flora Bella, tell us what's happening with the young wildlife protectors.
Thank you, Fauna Wild. I'm here at the Nino Aquino Wildlife Rescue Center, where over 40 youth delegates from 10 Southeast Asian countries have come after meeting at the Asian Development Bank to develop an action plan pushing forward the principles set forth in the London Declaration adopted by 40 countries at the London Conference on Illegal Wildlife Trade in 2014, a program of the Conservation International, the Southeast Asian Youth Environment Network, Young Southeast Asian Leaders Initiative, the U.S. State Department Bureau of Oceans, Environment and Science, the Asian Development Bank, and the U.S. Embassy in Manila. The conference enables them to advance the principles in their home countries to preserve the wildlife and natural ecosystem. In the declaration, participating countries agreed to focus on 4 principles: eradicating the demand for wildlife products, strengthening law enforcement, ensuring effective legal frameworks, and supporting the development of sustainable livelihoods for communities affected by wildlife crime.
And in the words of one of the most famous explorers in the modern world, Dora, want to shoot animals? Use your camera. This is Fauna Wild.
And this has been Willie Ocean. Always on the wild side.